Hi there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the battery cycle count on your MacBook. Knowing your battery cycle count is essential for monitoring your MacBook's overall battery health and determining when it might be time for maintenance or a replacement. Let's dive in. To check the battery cycle count on your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, follow these steps. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. For this video, I'm using macOS Sequoia, the latest version. If you're using an older macOS version, the interface might look slightly different, but the process is similar. Once you're in System Settings, click on General in the left-hand panel, then select the About section. Scroll down and click the System Report button at the bottom. In the System Report window, on the left-hand side, click Power. This is where you'll find your MacBook's battery cycle count under the Health Information section. For example, mine shows a cycle count of 213, and that's it. You've successfully checked your MacBook's battery cycle count. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Mac tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.